drink your water. Cheers, I'm severely dehydrated. I know you love when I say that. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. There are people doing some work in the other room. That's why I'm being a little quiet. I'm shy. This is going to be moving vlog number 3. So if you aren't already caught up, go watch the previous ones. But this is gonna be a good one because like I've done a lot of unpacking, but today we're getting shit organized via some professionals. The organizers are about to get here. I'll introduce you to the crew, and we are going to get my room and my clothes and my wardrobe in check today. I'm wearing an athletic dress. This is from Buff Bunny, and a little zip up because for some reason I'm just perpetually cold right now. I guess I could turn off the AC, but I feel like then I turn it off and then it gets too hot. I pretty much got rid of most of the boxes, but we've got clothes here, clothes in the closet as well. I believe we're gonna start with a purge. So we're gonna like go through everything and, you know, see what is staying, what's getting donated, which is gonna be hard for me because I have a problem getting rid of things, but it's necessary. Particularly need help with shoes. Yeah, I feel like the way that I keep my home is directly correlated with my mental health, if I'm being completely honest. Like the times that my mental health is low, like I am just in disarray. I am honestly like not taking care of myself, not taking care of my space, my home. So with making this like massive investment in my space, also with just like all of these big life changes, like I bought a place, I am moving in with my boyfriend. It's a lot of change and I think it's all good and exciting, but you still have to like take care of yourself and your mental health. So I am seeking out therapy honestly more now than ever, and that leads me to the sponsor of today's video, which is BetterHelp. If you guys have watched my videos before, you've probably heard me share a little bit about BetterHelp. BetterHelp connects you with a licensed therapist who is trained to listen and to help. So you go to their site, it's betterhelp.com/Michio. You're gonna answer a few questions, it's like a little quiz about yourself, and then BetterHelp is going to match you to a professional who has years of experience, all from like helping people who are just like you. You could do it all from your phone or your computer. So it's like a phone call, a video chat, messaging, whatever you feel most comfortable with. You'll be matched with a therapist usually within 48 hours. So if you've been wanting to give therapy a try, I feel like this is your sign. It's convenient, it's flexible. You could do it from home, and why not work on yourself this summer? I mean, I definitely am. I'm always working on myself, let's be for real here. So let BetterHelp connect you to a therapist who supports you, all from the comfort of your own home. Visit betterhelp.com/Michio or choose Brooke Michio, my channel name, during your sign up, and you'll enjoy a special discount on your first month. Once again, that is betterhelp.com/Michio, but I will have the link down below. Thanks again to BetterHelp for supporting me and my channel, and let's get back to the moving vlog. This is also my first day putting on makeup, like a full face of makeup in a few days, and it just really boosted my confidence. I feel like I have been down bad, crying at the gym. No, I just haven't had like my full skincare routine like out and unpacked. I feel like with the stress of moving, I just, you know, and it just made me feel a lot more confident to like get ready today. So I ended the day yesterday with finding a leak under my sink in my kitchen. Found out that a pipe burst. It was just leaking everywhere, and they had to replace like the whole basically piping system underneath my sink. So happy Wednesday. A new episode of Gals on the Go came out today. If you aren't caught up, go listen. I will say that this new episode is really good. I think it's really funny, and we have a lot of funny like little stories and stuff, so go catch up. Process. When you have it all laid out like this, it's like, damn, I have that much stuff. About to do the purge. Here we go. And this is gonna make me take a hard look at myself, but you know, it's necessary. Oh, we'll keep those too. No, I'm into the really long jeans now, because it's like, woo. Get rid of those, I think it's time. I have to be harsh with myself about what fits and what doesn't fit. I know it, I know it. This is such a world of a difference, and just even the way the purses are displayed, like, okay, hello mall. I'm like beaming, this is so exciting. And I've been so, I feel like worked up about the boxes and everything. This is just changing my life right now. I'm so, oh my God. Here, I'll show you guys. We're working into the second closet. Wow. They're like helping me go through all of my boxes and everything too. I am so grateful. Seriously changing the game for my organizational process. This is how much is getting donated. Like, this is crazy. We're just going through stuff today, making it happen. I've saved pretty much all of my Gals on the Go merch, and this is like everything Gals on the Go merch. I like refuse to get rid of it, but I'm like, what do I do with it, you know? I feel like make it into like a quilt one day or something. A piece from every collection. Oh my gosh, it seriously looks like a store. Oh my gosh. Like, it's amazing. Oh my God. It makes me want to wear my heels more. All right, I showered and my hamper is here. I think is it already put together? Maybe I just have to put it into place. I got one that rolls because I want to have something that I can like move in the hallway and whatnot. Hopefully this isn't too difficult to put together, but you know, I'm a strong, independent woman. I can do it. This is from Amazon, by the way. Just wanted like a big hamper. I mean, we'll see how it is, but I just wanted like a big hamper that I can throw everything into. Couples who live together, it's a new process, like moving in with my boyfriend. Like we're trying, you know, when we both are going from living alone to living together. So do you do your laundry together? Do you put it in one bin or you do your own? I feel like if I'm just doing laundry, I would just be like, okay, I'll just, you know, do yours as well. But then again, I'm like, do you just wash your own stuff because you know how to wash it? I grew up in a family home where it was like, if my mom or dad were doing laundry, like they were just doing it for everybody. Granted, it was a larger washing machine size. I feel like this is like a city apartment washing machine. Anyways, let's get this set up. When they give you the tool bag and it's like pretty simple tools, I feel like it should be fine. Not bad at all. You just really screw in the legs. Look at that, it rolls. I feel like the laundry would fall out if I don't use this liner. I just wanted black, like neutral. Now that I'm looking at it, it's a little wicker element. But since I have dark finishes in this apartment, like everything's like, when I have to pick a metal for something, I've just been going for like matte black. I did that in my closets and stuff. Oh, cool. I forgot this one is separated. So look at this. Two separate sections. I feel like this would fit a lot. Let's see. I guess I don't have really too much dirty stuff in here, but let's see. I think it could fit a lot. All of the boxes in here are empty. Molly, who is the head of the Heart & Co organization, who came today, she gave me so many tips that I feel like I'm just gonna integrate in. I think I'm gonna have her come back and help me with my kitchen in a few months once I'm like a little bit more unpacked. Today she really just helped with like the closets. The job was like this main closet, but due to the amount of stuff I have, we had to go into the other ones. But she told me that after tomorrow, when I get the counter sealed, to put all of the boxes that I have not gone through yet, so if it's just like a moving box still, put it all in one room, and in this case I'll do like the guest room, just so that I don't have like some boxes and some progress in every room. It's like one room is like the chaotic room. I could close it off if guests come over, and it's like, you know, when I want to work on the unpacking, I can do it in there. Because I feel like that's also why I felt so overwhelmed and stressed out, is just because every single room was like full of boxes, and now I'm like one room down, 2 more to go. Ben is not here tonight. He's not fully moved in. I think I kind of announced it. I said it at least on the podcast. We're doing like a soft move-in because he still has his current lease, so if he has things that he has to do like closer to that location or whatever, or if he just wants to sleep in a bed, because we have been sleeping on the couch. And you know, it was fun. Like the first few nights it was like, oh my god, yay, so fun, like so exciting. And I think we're at the point where we're like, a mattress would be nice, you know. But I have put on my comfy clothes. Since it's a me night, I decided I think it's time for Bridgerton season 3. I feel like I haven't been watching a lot of TV at all. Eat some dinner, chill, do some like computer things. I want to get to bed early though, because tomorrow is another big and full day. The situation under the sink is fixed. From what I understand, they replaced the pipes. It's like confusing in a condo because technically that shouldn't be covered. It's like once I own it, like it's like the pipes and things like that. Like if it's on the inside walls of my apartment, that's my problem. However, since it was something that was here before that, because I didn't use the dishwasher, and it was like the dishwasher tube was leaking, dishwasher plumbing. All I know is that they had to come today and they ripped out the entire inside and relined it with like this tin foil stuff. It's not tin foil, what is it, aluminum? So hopefully we have no further problems, because it didn't like damage the floors or anything, luckily. And luckily we caught it pretty early, so. Just another day. The highs and lows of being a homeowner, as my realtor Jonathan would say, and he has said. Hi guys, good morning. The chronicles of being a homeowner continue. I just feel like every task is actually 5 tasks. Not to be dramatic, but I was supposed to get my counter sealed today. They did this half of them. It's like a special process. It's not like a normal liquid I'm doing. Like, apparently I had no idea. I just did what was recommended to me by other people who live in this building. It's like some sort of like dry method that's like not chemicals leaching into my airway, which I guess that is better. It was like a film. And they couldn't do this part of my counter because I didn't get my faucet removed. So now, in order to get this part of my counter sealed, I have to hire a plumber to remove the faucet so that it's just holes basically on the top, so they could seal the entire counter with this like film thing, leave it for 48 hours, and then they'll come back and put the faucet on. That's what I mean by I feel like it's like, oh, I'll just get the counter sealed. It's like, oh no, I gotta call a plumber in, I gotta get a plumber to like put it back on. It seems like it's one job, it's actually a lot more. I'm loving my ice maker though. I'm gonna make myself a really quick coffee. We have a big exciting call right now for Gals on the Go stuff. And then we actually have a bunch of calls today. I feel like I'm back on biz today. I feel like I've been kind of, I don't want to say neglecting my responsibilities, but I've been like, look, I just bought a place. We push all the calls to next week. But no, Gals gotta go. Things are happening. I feel like this is like what I really always wanted for the podcast. I think Danielle too. I've been doing half and half in my iced coffee. It's been really hitting. I feel like this is what I always envisioned for us, is to do like larger projects. I just feel like we're such a fun duo, you know. Go girls, friends, you know, it's great. I need a straw and then I have to go. Let's go do this call. Hi guys.
Hey Brooke.
How's it going? Morning, I'm back in the Lower East Side. Just like I never left. I'm going to get my nails done today. Me and every other girl getting the cereal milk latte. Let's try it. It's delicious, wow. I never finish my coffees, I feel like, and the cereal milk was so good that I had to finish it. Also, nails are done. Kind of fun. I've been putting on Bossa Nova Jazz on the TV. That's been my recent go-to when I have like people working in here. For some reason, I find awkward silence so awkward, but it's just silence, and I don't know why I find it so awkward, but like I'm sure that people don't mind. I'm sure that they've been in like worse situations, but I'm like, let me put on some music for us. Like, why am I like that? I got my nails done today. I went back to the Lower East Side. Mickey's salon is right by my old apartment, so already back in the neighborhood. I just love how easily I'm able to commute everywhere. Like, taking the train is just so easy. It's fantastic. Like, I'm just zipping around. Just gotta say that. Cool nails, right? I wanted like yellow tips, and then I saw this design that incorporated some pink. I just feel like it's a little funky. It's a little something fun. I wore this dress in Italy from Cezanne, and I was like, you know what? Let me throw on a little fun dress for today. We have some updates. We have some updates around here. I don't even know if I said it, but I feel like I need to say it because I'm sure that people, I can forecast that people are gonna tell me how to put my furniture and everything. Nothing is fixed in these positions, and in fact, this couch is completely modular. I thought that this was gonna be the layout with like the TV that way, but we're gonna flip it and put the TV actually like on this wall, and the couch is gonna go against that way. So I just wanted to say that. I think that might be this weekend's project, to like flip that around. We've still been sleeping on the couch though, just in case anybody was wondering. There were some things that I just wanted to get done right away in this place. I was like, okay, you know, let's do this, let's do this. One thing, I wanted to get water. I'm a big water drinker. I use it everybody. And the tap is perfectly fine to drink. I just am not the biggest fan of the taste of New York City tap / my parents put a water filter in their house, and then I became like obsessed with the idea of like the water filter and like just like extra clean water and like just having it readily available on tap. So someone literally just came and like installed this. I just got mineral water. I could show you. There's like a very small thing underneath here that will like filter through and just, you know, clean up the water, I guess, a little bit more. It tastes good. I tried it. It took like 2 hours for him to install it. He like did drill into the counter, so pretty cool. I feel like the days are just flying by, and I have been like waking up early. I fully woke up this morning at like 6:30, had a full morning, I feel like, of unpacking and putting stuff away, and then it's like, I blink, I feel like, and it's 3 o'clock. It's 3:45 actually. Now granted, I did go to Manhattan today, so I guess like that ate away at my day. But under the sink, this is what the tank looks like, by the way. I use this company, High Water Standard. They're in New York. I don't know if that means anything to anyone. It feels like kind of weird to have my cleaning stuff right next to it. It doesn't like really matter. He said you could do whatever you want down here. So I'm still trying to figure that out. Especially when I was like in the early phases of touring. My parents did come with me. It wasn't like official. So then I was like, oh, okay, like let's just wait until it's like all locked up. And then I feel like the time slipped by, and now Danielle has to come see the place. So she's coming over. I think I might have some other friends stopping by this weekend. We have to see. I don't really know what's on deck for this weekend. That'll be in the next vlog. Guys, I feel so good because I cleaned out this space here. I don't know if I showed it, but there were all boxes over here. So yeah, I cleaned out this space. It's the next day. I'm about to go to Gov Ball, which I'm gonna vlog. So I'll do a separate vlog. Espelon so kindly gifted me tickets, so that will be a lot of fun. I feel like this was fun organizing. I keep saying I'm gonna refilm my apartment tour, but like just stuff is still in piles. It's gonna be like messy. That will just be coming in another one because I know you guys want that refilmed. I think you saw the breakdown in this video of that. Anyways, I love you guys. I just want to say I'm so grateful for each and every one of you, and there's still so much here to do that will be considered like moving. Like I have no furniture, so stay tuned for the next vlog because I'm gonna get some more furniture, probably gonna get my mattress. We're gonna start to really like decide where things are going. So love you guys. See you next time. Bye.